na mera ho kakra sanse emabunu bi a omo wo memantemu na wono atena fia che in fact ebinumu ko baako ko university baako so eko eye teacher training colleges of education bia na no obaako enemy din komo no ka na kosem na mera ho na wo hwe nso sebe unimu tumi bia wo de beboa na hwese de fie etie ma onipa kro no a na wuni tumi a wo de fa dwuma anase wo de bepia nipa na to adwuma mu a na wo se manfo bre wachiri adwuma ho nsem particularly wo mamu di media budget no a na finance minister kan na kane 13.3 or 13.4 yes so what tia masisi eso tete but the realities on the grounds no I say yen sheda enhu ne sa se adwuma sem no ekodanim ye fa nkrofo mabura atifie adwuma but the numbers no de ewa yes so what be some percentage 13.3 yaba kakra and there was 12.9 it was 12.7 but the realities on the grounds no doesn't depict the air cost war system. I get worried and frustrated to see your youth. In fact, Juma kura the da say. Juma no. What ye wa ko ye Juma you know. Be a wodi utia ye diploma teacher ya fa wontem wo ye nurse ya fa we no. Wa woji akatua no kura no. How is it? Na wo mo ene in fact, Otifia and that's one son, the frustrations and all that. I get deeply worried. Na adeane hamene se yaye bibia politics intino politicians no so who say they need to take advantage of us because enyuma a ope to me wo mamu a obeto eye se obema adwuma ai ensem abeka ni nyina no ade a babunu bia petie which emabunu no jz fo ne yi na ekeka ho ni nyina no wono mo eye majority wo voters ni mu omo eto aba ni nyina no wo mamu no wo hwe age range no a wo mo eho eden timi ye adwuma a ebi ni adwuma wo mo ne dɔɔso pa omo ne dɔɔso and so omo tie se yese ye de adwuma eba omo tie se aban bi se ana obi si oba obebie bi adwuma one sa babunu no ode ahokeka ne ani gie kokoto aba e de masa nipa kro de adwuma eba no se be ya ono benya adwuma ni bia ye na wofo enso de ani gie to aba ni bi because on peso otena fie hwe so wahwe ne ba school no obeba no ba burden sa wo fie nti ono so kra de ahokeka esa akoto aba masa politician no so be create adwuma no and so one of the ways our politicians no me call it deception and say one be kan ye be mu adwuma ye be say afei along the line na akoye nsempii unemployment persist there na omaino we are not thinking of moving forward from yetete de no nti wutie finance minister and that's what so oman be biem fidi numa abiebie yenkwaba mu industrialization betimi akoso no akoye cut and paste ye the hair far high just ohwehwe mu a the real thing is say you be industrialize the country e be create a lot of jobs no ayen simple yes all co developed countries na UK no ne other areas no you know Germany other places kwa you see say abani a year in fact China kura recently many bring you masem allowing companies bebre so on be travel wo manimu na etumia creating nyuma enu nti na Ghana fo firi ha ne yakwa amano ne yakogya adwuma ye enti country na mu adehye nya biye onso kwa abenya biye because o create environment industrialization and all that ama krono enyuma ho nsem nya den enti wo ye den kura wo koduru a wo kakra wade obenya biye and most of them are private individuals are push or my establish your majuma and that is what we lack in this country say you be so ankrankra asne amo munyuma travel ye de ne de your politics ne ye de gu ankrankra nyuma ye hwe nanim ka ka nanim asu we de obey yi ni MPP ni we do obey NDC ni o na ya na ya frustrate ya be ya gu na adwuma forgetting about be employment to kra we create e dey ma youth no na say opportunities are we create wo man ni mu ya the politics ni ya dey say bibia. But if we need to move forward, industrialization is key. And of course, I like the introduction of STEM. Any TVET ni ade no. Yesu bibi sanu nyuma ni ade budget ya nyina ya na atwa sika no sei. But almost so ye trading ye nhye den hu ni chese ni padodo okura e come out successfully. Na yetumi aboa wo mama establish wo ho ye hu saa. Enso de bia ne aka skill training hwan na anu ni abeka ni ato title kakraka coders 1 million coders program ya beto to titles ni bebre. At the end of the day yen hyede hu saa nkrofo no ase wo munya saa mfaso no eyi bia abamudi ama wo no so kura so aba mfaso ama other youth wo mote enchen no. That is the problem with this country. Enyuma no kura no wa yesade aban sika beko akohyem se ye bie na atimi afa emabunu na afa dipa bi nso adwuma no ye diskari kohyem ani ye jai na asɛn Commander Sugar Factory so wakai sika ye de kohyem nyagro millions of dollars and anu ya kura from 4th Estate wo mo so mo nhwemu mo ma ye no nkrofo akowia machines ni bi wo ene da so no o si thief steal equipment from idle Commander Sugar Factory machines ni ewiawia no. We ye nanu ya July 13, 2026. Report on the abano. I Commander Sugar Factory do ya ye no a ese mfidie ni sim nanka ya start ya. Sika ya wieo chese. Ewurade. Hu ye mobo. Nanka ye adwuma timi afani pani bi na noma ekoso no. Ya tena wa hwaja ya ama enei machines no akromfo ewiawia. Ba uko other developed countries no a. Wo we no abai disikashe bibi mo even Burkina hwede trare ye hwede oka se tomato eyi no oso mu anu aye oka se we oso mu because yetimi twa budget for millions of dollars ye de ko share Commander Sugar Factory mu ya sa trama machine bi raste akronfo asa kowia et you do know the number of people betimi kra fa o ye can say we create thousands of jobs because ye chain to produce we must be transport we be senti ye can thousands of jobs a bit be create and the jobs no way ye jai mamanfo wia machines no. That is where we are as a country because ye bibia politics ye kan okra nkyere ye. Now what has made me sad today because yenye sad ye wenti no ama obia adwena akoye se ma memfa mani nhwe aban adwuma. That is what has become. Obeko nursing, obeko teacher, obeko colleges of education se be yande nko wie ya da dwuma yede eda ho because aban no nye se ye sa we ni bi na wo a ene omo eye sebe ebi ya nurse fo bi ya teacher fo ebi ye other professionals omo koduru UK anya hwe kura no obenya company bi a se ne certificate ni ntimi nya adwuma kura obeko akoye carer na obeko akoye bibi e wo ho no mo anya sika kakra de atoto aduane adi because omo establish omo. Eno mo kwa brochire nyina okoduru won ma obi o ye engineer okoduru a company kura mfa no so o me engineer wo tumi nya adwuma bi kakra edi nene no sa minia jobs no kwa wonya bi wa ha ye ni bi it you can't survive edi enti no mo de okoduru ha wotumi nya bibi kakra no wa ye de survive enti ka omo atifie eye teachers ni aye anke ye nya mfa omo nko mainstream wi enko betumi nya opportunities bi wo nwuma bi mu kakra no wo ye no wonya bibi kakra de bo ne ho bra. But the human could have been you. Ebi one word in the tia for baby. Anna, I buy the no so I see a bay recruitment no so. And then I buy no so bit me for 7,000. Near ko be a porter, ye be a porter on April 10, 2026. No, but within 1 hour or 2 hours, no, then you pay 40,000. It tells you. And every porter, you must say, or more pay you teachers or maybe or mugufi. And Ghana Education Service no be ya no musu da bi ade na no aye de no mu ato portal ni 40,000 just within hours. Ekoba asado abai per 7,000 penti out of 40,000 no ye 7,000 it means say 33,000 omutimi wura mu apply ye no they wouldn't get the opportunity to be employed. Wo mu nyina be kachiri na de ye me ya anopei ama me kasa. The premise of this discussion and no pay ni say youth no a suffer e wo fie no we are teaching no yamfa no a ye be a portal so we apply no o mo apply ya 40,000 apply for just 7,000 vacancy se ya ye ho ayi awie na so wo nkɔhwɛ sɛ oh aban famia na wa amfamia ya gye wo 25 Ghana cedis ono no otifie no onyanya adwuma no and some of them are checking yes be check it twice ebi ya log in once wo ya na o se koya just was eto we no diwuram and 25 cedis 25 cedis just to check or check it so 33,000 no ade eda so ni obehunu bra Facebook de eda so obi ya 33,000 na omo no mutia nyeye no obi ya na ade no kokko ye eda so ya beto so de me de ato Facebook na abeto so application unsuccessful. We regret to inform you that your application was not successful for this recruitment cycle. Pine na da ho 25 cedi no ayeka so na ye calculate here about 33,000 we no a omu nyina so atua 25 cedis no a eso amamfa so bia mo ne ani da so bia so mbenya adwuma no. My question here is that say sika no amoje 25 cedis na ehe na ekro mabu na tifi onu nya adwuma ne ani da so bia. It's very painful to see that happening. So be say bia twice I 50 cedis 25 cedis just to say or check say and we know say 7,000 no yefa the rest no yentimi mfa wo mo and so 33,000 no akotua 25 cedis agukwa just to check the enti na say charge wo mo sa yewra Haruna Iddrisu uyo obi a wo parliament ya meye minister said na won kasa yete a ase odo mabu no mo embo the youth o kasa youth employment said you sika youth kura auto nation ye mede the way obeka youth no de and that the same youth wa o ma wie school no mo ne adwuma ye na they came to the portal ye charge o mo 25 cedis just to check and so one san kura 33,000 e wachiri no o mo nsa enya and so mo nyina ye agi o mo. Meanwhile, Haruna, government promise automatic posting of these teachers. And that's one kura no nanka sikatria bia nche da nimu saa because we ya nanka adwuma no na wokro no aban na nisu adi nu na nanka mo kire se mo de ba no e kire se nka sikatria bia we ya adwuma na wokoye no automatic posting and da ho 2024 5th point no automatic was scrap the MPP's mandatory national service to teacher training graduates and restore the automatic employment of newly qualified teachers. Na mamemo we nchrew tie mampani
we shall reintroduce automatic
tie no
we shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
Enti ose automatic. Enti automatic ji aso de nya afi na akogina akotia kroche akoye bibia nti wiye ya zuru na wodam na nke ya faw. That was the stance. And they are paying that 25 chese ono a wonya adwuma no otifie no ono a onya adwuma no otifie no. Why didn't you even make this accessibility free for them? Nanka ebia omukura ombenya opportunity omo amafo mo 7,000 amafo mo de ya won de odi akire obeji pay etu okwaje obi besin akura no a ye process ne na eba wo de betua na we mu de no ono wonya bi ni wo wo mobo sergeant 25 cedi just to check. Like I said, you lose your morality, you need to mabiase see. I don't get it. This is shameful in plain language. Yera Haruna, I least expected this. Wo ministry from the Ghana Education Service. The argument say because automatic struggle because course no 3 years and then abaya 4 years because of degree in or national service na or license national service na after 4 years no na ama automatic na ntimi nya possible na mu aye na mse nkyerɛkyerɛ mu na mfa ba bia nurse no a wo mo de no so wo mo ye no obu de na 3 years no awu SIA rotation, which is national service. No, and also promise by so almost the no ebe automatic nurse for no. And so say BTF it's not about the 3 years, the 4 years. It's about the will and the strategy. Employ. Let's be frank to ourselves. Say the problem no, and yet the years if we want to employ them, even when it takes 10 years for them to complete the required process now, let's be frank. One, we agree. We understand, but charging them that 25, that's my problem. Why? Just say, but to those moko check ya mama sadi we je fatu suma me unsuccessful no. Your mama sadi we no. I just want you are part of the 33,000. Me be say, OTS it's not your fault. Why? Don't be too hard on yourself. Be depressed. The guy I met Friday, Saturday no. In fact, just say me hwe no na abante no tumi say na ni da so nyina sa why? Don't be too hard on yourself. Who qualify pa? Another guy is who can say first class crowd. Yes, competitive omodoso. But me, what I expected, Nesenka Haruna Iddrisu will ensure Senka many in batches. It will my older batch, no 2023, 2024. When me be a 7,000. Timu more 2023 no momra. And na 2022 muni kaimbra na 2023 no ebi kaso ane de omo afra na afa yesa biesa na nka eba na omo atena fi ache no ye di kan mo makọ ene obi on mo wie just 1 year ni onu atimi awura ma qualify you because you are mixing. What is the criteria? It will be betimi atena fi sa be 10 years no nya kwan wura mu because you are mixing. Why don't you take the older batch before you go systematically? Ade when so just obika. So more Maya unsuccessful, no. Don't be too hard on yourself. Meaning say enye easy. You are depressed, a whole lot of things. But don't be too hard on yourself. The one here say see a wotifie. Find something doing. Suya bibi kakra bi faka ho a wobetumi enya opportunity e won chen kakra. Ebi na uni yat for by ye kan ho asem ye no mu di nkomo ay kan ho. Learn something small. I no betumi am survival. Ebi kra no be great opportunity even than the teaching for you. Don't give up on yourself. Hadwene na te akoma. It's sad. But that's where we've gotten to as a country. Kwabna bra na me there. Says you can munya account baby I kon 33,000 times 25 cedis. Na ni akeka akire ni nyina munya yi. Why? Kwabna ma minti